Yan guys, yan ang border ng Oman tsaka ng UAE. Yung sa kabila, Oman na yan. Tapos dito UAE pa rin, United Arab Emirates pa rin. Yan, sana mainit. Mainit, mainit, mainit.
Oh guys,
What's up guys?
Sleep heavy, sleep good.
you know,
I need sleep.
how are you? We are going to Alqua.
Yeah, 96 kilometers.
Now it's done as 96 kilometer.
Going to Alcoa. Papalit siya guys kasi masakit na yung itlog niya. You got pain on your leg, right?
I will start video. Start already.
Yan.
Okay, start. Yeah, you talk.
Yeah. Papalit siya guys kasi 96 kilometers biyahe pa simula Alain hanggang Alcoa pero galing ng Dubai siya yung nagmanaya. So speed limit dito is 140 pero tatakbi lang natin 120, 110 yeah. Sway lang. Si Bay,
Yes.
how's your leg now?
I'm good. Everything.
What?
Okay. Everything is good.
Everything's good.
Yeah. But I'm little tired. I will give you car.
Yes. No problem. You're my boss.
How are you?
Speed your backside or your leg?
You'll be there as a You're making video.
Are you laughing? You close your mouth.
Hello. Enjoyment.
Driving is easy.
This is Mr. Big. He's driving now, huh?
Yes.
You reach 140?
Yeah, but now I reach just 120.
Yes. Because you just
Because
took the limit, huh?
Because the AC coming broken.
Yeah.
If I reach 140, AC not working.
Oh,
So only 130.
yeah.
Because this Pakistani driver, I don't know what
Oh.
he's doing.
This one?
Yeah.
You see, before is happy, now is having mood, no?
How are you, my guys? I'm sleeping. Why
Are you
don't leave
sleeping?
me?
Are you
I'm
sleeping?
little
So, sorry to disturb you,
Yeah,
boss.
yeah, I'm sleeping.
Sir,
Oh.
sorry, sir.
Sorry, boss.
Sorry, sir.
This
Sorry,
one
sir.
you're sleeping.
Okay. Take a sleep, sir.
Go back to your sleep.
I'm very much sorry. We are there now or no? See, this military camp. Oh, I think no allowed to video this one problem.
No, no,
Huh?
no problem. No problem.
It's problem.
No writing there, no?
No writing. Only here in the desert. I will take a video. See? Take a video this one.
Wagon coming up. he not need to your YouTube channel coming money. Understood?
Yes.
Strong words, ha? Understood?
Yeah, this is strong word.
Okay.
Say hi to camera. Hello.
Ah, hello.
Hi. I'm handsome, no?
No, your language, no problem.
Basta, kabayan. Ito, re-relax muna ako. Mamaya trabaho na naman. Oo.
Response kami rito eh.
Your language.
Dalawang kliyente. Itong minamaliw namin is 96 kilometers starting from the Al Ain. And then after this, pagpabalik, may panibago schedule ulit. Ito naman sa bago dumating. Actually sa Al Ain proper, bago bumalik ng Dubai.
Mayroon ako. Sama Arbang Islim. That's
Are
what's
you
the-
coming?
Yeah, no.
Allah. Relax now.
Relax, boss, ha?
Relax boss.
Allah, thank you.
Relax too much ha.
Allah, thank you. Wow, really nice. Ah, you take video. I'm sleeping.
Yes, boss. Sorry, ha?
No problem.
Yeah.
We are already in the Jane side. That one Aqua. Same our Pakistan. That one same place.
Really? That place?
Where?
That one.
That one? Like that? Oh. What's
No
up?
building. See, you know, I never not see building here.
Cannot see building here.
Only bilang.
Only local house.
How's my driving boss?
Nice. Very nice.
Hope you get dressed na.
Where the gym?
See, front from there.
Ah, see that na? Ah, I thought this one. Nice.
Yeah, this one, I think. Oh,
Ah, this one.
Here, this
yeah, this is the one. Gym. Gymnastic men's fitness.
Sorry, my mistake.
Take back side.
Mistake.
Slowly, ha? You scratch the...
Yes, but it's not driver gone there. Go front, go. Okay.
Okay?
I'm not close, huh?
Okay.
Too much more.
Tired ha?
I'm not tired.
Yan, nandito na tayo guys.
Oh, yan na ho, yan, nagmaneho. Yan.
Ay,
Okay.
yikes.
Okay. Okay now?
Yeah.
Ang layo ng biyahe namin. Ito lang papalitan namin. Mga shit. Layo-layo na pinuntahan. Ito lang para sa machine na yan. Ito yung unang schedule namin. Ito sakto yung dala natin kable, no? Yan yung papalitan namin guys. Kasi naputol na yun dun eh. Ayan, makabit natin. Ayan, dyan. Para umangat yung weight. Hello, darling. How are you, darling?
How are you?
Check. Coach, check. I'll make video. Because my boss need always video, no?
Always video?
Yeah, including you. Yalla, habibi.
Make more. Wait.
More weight, ha?
More weight.
Yalla, habibi.
Use it.
Aywa. Mashallah.
So, okay.
Mashallah.
So I
Alright.
want to try first. Before we left, we need to testing first.
1 second.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay, make a more.
More
to make
heavy, make it. Make it pull, no? Broke your legs. Yeah, go.
Try now, bro. Right?
How's it? Perfect?
How many weight?
Huh?
I think.
It's okay. This is normal, brother.
After your back is problem again. It's okay na?